Hi, everybody. It's Miss Verbanek. All right, so this lesson is going to be your first lesson, your first ELA lesson in your packet for week 1. Okay, so it's going to go over and review our common and proper nouns and basically what a noun is in a sentence. What does a common noun look like and what does a proper noun look like? As well as the different plurals of a noun. So sometimes it's not just as easy as adding an S, okay? So those are going to be our objectives for this first lesson this week. I know it's kind of 2 different objectives and it's me combining 2 lessons into one. So on Wednesday, we'll go over more of the packet as well, okay? All right, so right now I'm going to share screen with you so you can see what I'm looking at, all right? So let's see. All right, so hopefully you guys can see this of what I'm looking at home. So our learning targets, again, for today will be I can find common and proper nouns while we're reading sentences and kind of like what they look like. And I can read and write the plurals of nouns. So sometimes it's not just adding an S to make it plural, it looks differently, okay? All right. So for this first part of the lesson, we're going to look at, it says, find the common noun. All right, so before we even start, let's think about the differences between a common noun and a proper noun, okay? So think of a common noun as just like any old noun. It could be girl, boy, restaurant, food, anything. It doesn't have a specific name to it. It's just a common name for something, okay? A proper noun, on the other hand, is a special name or a specific name, okay? So the proper noun for a boy might be Jaden. It might be Aiden, okay? It might be, for a girl, it might be Catherine, okay? For a restaurant, it could be Pizza Hut. Okay, and the thing you do want to remember with a proper noun, and I'll write this off to the side to remember, actually let me make it a little bit smaller font so it fits. A proper noun is always capitalized, okay? So a proper noun is always capitalized, all right? Because it's special, okay? So like Miss Verbanek, that would be capital. The V in Verbanek would be capital, okay? So now that we got that, let's look at the first one together. Let's look at number 1. It says, find the common noun. So first we have to read the sentence. Lily brought a new dress, brought a new dress for me. Okay? So what would be the common noun? Let's first think about what our nouns are in the sentence. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. So Lily, I'm just going to underline that because Lily is a noun. It's a person. So let's read it. Lily brought a new dress for me. All right, let's think. Dress, that's a thing, right? Okay. And me, that's a noun, but that's getting into direct objects. So we're not going to look at that just yet. So let's look at Lily and dress. We're looking at the common noun. So it's just a common noun. Lily has a capital because it's a specific girl. So that's not the common noun. The common noun would be dress, okay? Dress. Not just because it has a lowercase letter, but also it's not a specific dress. It's not a specific brand of dress. It's just a dress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's use blue, it's a good color. I'm going to circle dress, okay? All right, let's look at number 2. It says find the proper noun. The proper noun, okay? So we're looking for a specific noun. But first, let's underline our nouns in the sentence, okay? Christmas is my favorite holiday, okay? So Christmas, that's a thing, right? A person, place, or thing. So I'm going to underline it. Is my favorite holiday. favorite, that's not a noun. It describes the holiday. So holiday is a noun, okay? It's a thing. So in this one, it's asking, find the proper noun, okay? The proper noun. So in this one, it's a specific thing. So it's a specific holiday, right? So I could circle that one. Christmas is the proper noun, okay? It's capitalized too, right? I didn't just say holiday, so holiday would just be the common noun. It could be any holiday. It could be Halloween, Valentine's Day. All of those holidays would be capitalized. Okay, let's look at the number 3. All right, it says again, find the common noun, okay? She was trying to chase the dog. Okay, let's think. So she, okay, it's not saying Lily, it's not saying Catherine, it's just anyone. She was trying to chase the dog, okay? So let's look. Remember, a common noun is just any old person, place, or thing. So she is one of the nouns. It's just a common noun. It's not a specific person, is it? Was trying to chase the dog. So our other noun is dog. Is it saying trying to chase Fido? Trying to chase Spot? No, it just says any dog. So that is our common noun, okay? All right, let's look at number 4. Find the proper noun, okay? So let's look. Find the proper noun. I went to Taco Bell with my sister, okay? I went to Taco Bell with my sister. Let's first find the nouns, okay? All right, so I, that's a person, right? I went to, Taco Bell, that's a place, person, place, or thing. So I'm going to underline it. With my sister. Sister is a person, so I'm going to underline it, okay? So I went to Taco Bell with my sister. I have 3 nouns in there, right? Let's decide which one is a proper noun. So think of proper, it's special, okay? I always put my pinky up like I'm drinking tea. It's proper, it's special. Did I put my name in there? No, okay? So we're not gonna do that one. I went to Taco Bell, that's capitalized. I didn't just say I went to a restaurant, I went to a specific restaurant, okay? So I'm going to circle that one. Now let's look at sister. Does it say with Susie? Does it say with Becky? No, it just says sister. It could be anyone, okay? So I am not going to circle it, okay? All right, so now we're gonna skip that one for now. Oops. And we're gonna get right into plural nouns, okay? So this will help you with the other part of your packet until Wednesday or Thursday. So remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing, okay? A singular noun is a noun that names just one person, one place, or one thing, okay? So right here, let's look, a singular. So bird, glass, bush, fox. These all just name one bird, one glass, one bush, or one fox, okay? A plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. So on these instances, you're going to add an S, or I know you've been working on it, or an ES, okay? So with birds, I won't write birds as, so I'm just going to add an S right here. Okay, I'll underline it in red so you can see. Glass, I can't just add another S, so I have to add an ES. Glasses, that shows me there's more than one. Bush, bush, I have to say bushes, okay? So adds an ES. Fox, anything that has that S at the end, you're probably going to have an ES, okay? So fox is. All right. Again, I said in the beginning, sometimes we won't just add an S or ES. There's some special ones. So the singular, let's look at this one down here. I'm going to use a different color to show you. Child, there's only one child. Only one foot. One tooth. One mouse. One goose. One man. All right. So in this instance, we're not just going to say childs with an S. She has 3 childs. You'd say she has 3 children. So it completely changes the word when you make it a plural. These ones right here are rare, okay? You don't always have the word completely change. It's just in some instances, okay? All right. Foot, I don't say she has foots. I say that she has 2 feet, okay? Let's look at the next one. Tooth, I don't say I have lots of tooths. I say I have lots of teeth, okay? Next one, mouse. I don't say there's many mouses running around. I say there are many mice running around. Next one, goose. I wouldn't say there's lots of gooses. I'd say there are lots of geese. So the OO becomes the EE. Okay, next one, man. I don't say there's mans working outside. I say there are men working outside. Okay? And in this last instance that I'm going to show, these ones do not change at all. So you won't have to change them. Our first word for singular is deer. Deer. I saw the deer. Okay. Next one, I saw a fish. I saw the moose. I saw the sheep. Okay, when I make it more than one deer, I don't say I saw 2 deers. I just say I saw 2 deer. So same thing. Next one, I don't say I saw lots of fishes. I say I saw lots of fish. Our next one, moose. I don't say there's many mooses in Alaska. I say there are lots of moose. And the last one, I don't say in the pasture there was many sheeps. I say there are many sheep. Okay? All right. So let's go through these 4, and then that will conclude our lesson for this part. All right, so let's see. Write the plural of the noun to complete each sentence, okay? So let's read it. 2, this is the word they're giving us. 2 child walk in the woods. Let's look back. Child became what? I don't say childs, children. So in this instance, I'm going to do what? It's going to say children, okay? Children, 2 children, okay? Next one, they hop over some patch of mud. Would I write, does this look right if I write this? Patches of mud? They hop over some patches of mud? Because it's got that weird at the end, like the X and the S. So the CH works the same way. Patches of mud, okay? Number 3, do you see those track in the dirt? I wouldn't say track is. I wouldn't change the word completely. In this instance, it is just going to be a plain old S that you add. Do you see those tracks in the dirt? And last one, this animal has 4 foot. Do I say this animal has 4 foots? Do I say this animal has 4 footses? No, none of that sounds right. If you forgot, let's look back. Let's see. Oh, foot changes to feet. All right. So in this instance, it'd be the animal. This animal has 4 feet. Okay? All right, so that concludes this lesson for this first part of the week, and then I'll send another one out on Wednesday that we should go through. All right, so I hope you guys are having a good night and you guys had a good Easter, okay? All right, have a good night. All right, bye-bye.